Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we provide you with honest reviews and insights into the latest tech products. In today's video, we'll be taking a closer look at the TECKNET USB Wired Mouse. A 6-button corded mouse with 4 adjustable DPI settings and an ergonomic design. The TECKNET TrueWave technology ensures precise cursor control on various surface types, even on glass. Tested for over 6 million keystrokes, this mouse promises responsive clicks and a long lifespan for daily use. The mouse offers 4 adjustable DPI settings, catering to both home and office needs. With 6 buttons, including convenient back-forward buttons, it enhances productivity and efficiency. The mouse's ergonomic shape and soft rubber grips make it comfortable to hold, reducing hand strain during long hours of use. Its compact size allows for portability, making it suitable for home, work, or on the go. Simply plug in the USB cable to power the mouse, eliminating the need for batteries or software downloads. The 5 feet USB cable is the perfect length for various computer setups without lag. Compatible with Windows 11, 10, 8, XP, Vista, and Chromebook. This mouse is versatile and can be used across different platforms. TECKNET offers a generous 36-month warranty for registered users. In case of any issues, their professional customer service team is ready to assist you. The TECKNET USB Wired Mouse offers high precision, durability, and an ergonomic design. Its adjustable DPI, button configuration, and wide compatibility make it a versatile choice. With a 36-month warranty and reliable customer support, it's a great addition to your tech accessories. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, reliable mouse, this might be the one for you. Thank you for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.